Definitely timely, guys. Taking a look here in Oklahoma City, the fire danger today is very high. And as we've shown you, those fires in the Woodward area continue to burn. But emergency managers tell me even though they're in the metro area, they are watching their areas closely and making sure crews are on standby, ready to go, or they're already out fighting those fires. This comes as emergency managers are meeting in OKC for a days-long annual conference focused on mitigation tactics and protecting the people in the areas they serve. Clint Langford with the Oklahoma Emergency Management Association says 350 people packed their meeting Tuesday.
From the local governments, county governments, state governments, nonprofits, anyone that's involved with emergency management.
Even while participating in the conference, each emergency manager had an eye on their home county.
We're monitoring everything. We're monitoring our satellite data with hotspots.
Sean Pierce says a swift response isn't out of the question.
What we've developed in Logan County, we call it war days. If we get a fire call go out, immediately the closest 3 fire departments get dispatched and sent to the fire location. We don't have to wait on initial response to get there and then call for support. The Oklahoma Forestry Service, they have 3 crews stationed, across the county.
Checking in with the State Forestry Department today, they tell me they have crews standby all over the state, including in Texas and Beaver County, and they also have some crews responding in Woodward as well. Reporting live, Livia Hickey, KOCO 5 News.